Hey there. So, getting in and out of a chair is a major indicator of how well you are functioning and aging. So, it is a very big deal. So, being able to get in and out of a chair is definitely super important and obviously something that we can train to improve as we get older. Now, I don't know how old you are, but as I get older, I notice that that chair seems to be getting lower and lower, and I don't understand why. So, if you work on it, you can improve your function in getting out of the chair, which involves a couple of things. Not only is it leg strength, but it's also mobility of your hips and your knees and even your ankles. So today I want to show you how to use a simple chair and other things that you have around the house in order to train your ability to get in and out of a chair. So as you can see behind me, I have a chair. Now I want you to start with a chair that has arms to it, right? So the reason I like that is because depending on your ability to get in and out of a chair, you might initially need to use your hands to get up, and that's okay. I'm also interested in safety because anytime we work on functional activities such as getting in and out of a chair, let's face it, you could be at some risk of falling, and I tend to not like that. So use arms if you need it. Now, in an ideal world, you'll be able to get in and out of a chair without using your hands. You may have to use your hands on the armrests, and that's okay. Here's another important factor in getting in and out of a chair when you're doing it for exercise, and that is the height of the seat. Simply put, the higher the seat, the easier getting out of the chair is going to be. So, one way that you can make that chair higher, so to speak, is to just take a couple pillows and put it in that seat. Now, I've effectively raised the height of that seat by putting two pillows, right? And then from here, you'll notice my knees aren't as bent, my hips aren't as bent, and my ankles aren't as bent, and therefore it should be easier for me to get in and out of a chair. And you simply work on the number of repetitions that you can do in one setting. You can also work on how fast you get up and out of a chair, right? The faster you go, the better it is. As I get better, as I get stronger, I take a pillow out. Now it's a little bit lower, right? And then I remove another pillow and it's even harder and lower. And then finally, I have to find something in my house that's even lower than this chair. Oh, look, I happen to have a bench here. So then I can now use the bench, and that really is lower, and that really works my knees, my thighs, and my ankles. Note that the lower I go, the further I have to bring my body forward to counterbalance to be able to sit. So that's another factor. I want to underscore the fact that if you can't do this, it could be a number of reasons why. One of them can be muscle strength, but the other may be tightness in your hip, your knee, or your ankle. And if you want some videos on how to increase the flexibility of your ankles, knees, and hips, simply make a comment down below and I'll send you those videos as well. So hopefully this will help.